Realme has officially started teasing the upcoming P3 series. It's actually Flipkart doing the teasing, with P3 and P3 Pro, and this is the first look Realme P3 Pro. The leaked image shows the phone inside a protected case, but the camera module is clearly visible. It features a dual camera setup housed within a circular glass element. The two cameras, accompanied by a circular LED flash. The main sensor is a 50MP shooter, a 16MP selfie camera. Realme P3 Pro sport a 6.77-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1B colors, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. The device, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy 4nm chipset, is also run Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0. The 6000 mAh battery may support 45W wired charging, while the device could offer an IP68/IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.